Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 5 display settings you should change on your Motorola Edge 30 Pro. So in order to do that, you'll need to go to the settings, find display, and from here you can change all of the settings. So the first one we're going to change is adaptive brightness. And what it does is actually, if it's enabled, it uses the automatic brightness settings, so it will change your brightness of your screen automatically, and it's most of the time not very useful and nice to have, because it's much better to change it manually, just like that. Another setting is actually changing the dim of the phone, because you will probably begin with the light dim, and to like that, and change it to the dark, because it's much more pleasant for your eyes to look at, and everything is way better to see on your phone. Another thing is font size. I would change it to small, just like that, because for me it's actually easier to look at my phone and see a lot of stuff, because if it's smaller you can see more stuff on your screen at the same time. Another setting is display refresh rate. Make sure it's 144 Hz, because you probably have it on auto, but if you change it to 144, your screen will be much more smoother, like everything should be a lot smoother. So the last setting is actually night light. So if you're like just using your phone during night, or when it's dark or before the sleep, make sure you enable that setting, because it actually helps your eyes to rest. Like if you don't have the setting enabled and you're using it before the sleep, it might be much worse to actually fall asleep, but if you enable it, it should be a lot easier. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.